Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Dolls Handmade Creations, and today I have this Tonic craft kit. Yes, I'm running a little bit behind, guys. Y'all know that. But this is Tonic craft kit number 74, which is boots and bouquets. I am so excited to see this one. So let's do, ooh, look at this. Yes, honey, yes. And I got some orders I got to go over. I got a ton of stuff piled up, guys. That's okay. I'm off now, and this is the fun way of being able to go through your mail, show my people what we got. Okay, so let's put that there. This is going to be last. All right, you know the first thing I like to do is the paper. Uh-oh. Where is the... Here it is. The little paper that goes inside. Alright, this is again kit number 74, boots and bouquets. I want to say the paper's the correct way. Oh, I'm so excited that I got another one of these. These, what do you call it? Ombre green. Let's see what they're calling it. This one is ombre glitter card, and it's called opalescent green. I love that. And yes, it is for sale. I still haven't picked this one up yet. But they're supposed to be having a big restock after the 1st of January. When they reopen, they're supposed to be getting some restocks. They're not closed, but you won't get your shipping because they're actually closed for the holiday. But if you place an order, there are people in there. So it'll be a delay on it, you know. Give them a break, guys. So anyway, in January, I will be... oh, there's another order. Thank you. Delivered. I'll be placing another order. I got several I gotta show y'all. Look at this. That ombre is beautiful. Love, love, love. Then we got the... What color is this? Make sure I cover this up. I probably done already showed it. But this one is Mirror Card Italian Rose. I'm going to show it like that so y'all can see Italian Rose. That's a beautiful red. Then we have a pearlescent card, and this one is Majestic Gold. Another pearlescent card, which is awesome because I'm working with this right now. I just showed y'all a project I was working on, so that would be great. This would be pearlescent. Ooh, is this called Blue Forest? Blue Forest. This is a green. This is not this is not that. So I don't know. I'm trying to still look. I don't think this is Blue Forest. I think this is like sea green. I think this is sea salt green, and it's calling a classic card, but this is pearlescent. So I know that's sea green because I'm working with it. And then we got blushing pink pearlescent card. Then we got classic card. This one is, they're saying this one is sea salt green too. I love it. They are cute together. I love this palette here. Oh, even with that, that's cute. And then we got some smooth card ivory. This is the 300 weight cardstock. I love that when they have the sale, y'all grab it. I have a ton of it. So that's the cards. I mean the paper of the cards. Alright, so let's put that to the side. Then we got some goodies that were in there. I love the foam. These are the 5mm by 5mm, 2mm thick. How many on here? 609 little bitty squares. So these are great to add dimension to stuff. Let me put it right here in my little box I put there. All the stuff I use most commonly. All the time. Alright, so we're going to go with these markers. And in one of my orders I got, there's a holder because I'm getting a lot of markers now. So look at this. I love when you get more. Normally when we get the box, we get maybe 3, I think it is. Or do we just get 1? I think we just get 1 when we normally get the box. So look at this. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 this time. So let's see if I can go down the list and see. This one is 461 hazelnut truffle. Look at that brown on the tip. Y'all can see it, and it is double. tip. This is the fine, and that's the chisel. That brown, that's pretty. Then we have coconut shell. Looks like they gave us the ones that can do some shading. So this one is 464 coconut shell. You can really see the thing there. That is pretty. So yeah, it looks like we got some shading going on. Then we got, this is brown sugar, and it's 478 brown sugar. Yes. Want some of that brown sugar? Okay. The next one is apricot blush, 475. Apricot blush. Then we have 477, which is Sandcastle. You can see the color here. That's why I keep turning it that way. These are some nice colors. Then we got this one, which is pink grapefruit, 373 pink grapefruit. Then we have tiger lily, 374 tiger lily. It's like for some lips or cheeks. And then we have hay bale, which is 479 hay bale. Then we got white grape, 408 white grape. Wonder why they call it white grape. And then the last one is vine leaf. This is awesome. Vine leaf, and it's the green. I am so happy about getting these markers. By the time, because every kit I get, I'm getting markers. So this is the first time we got 10. And I'll be able to have them without buying all of them individually. You know, the little packs they got. So that is awesome. So that came in it. And then we have a paper pad. Oh, I love when we get their paper pads. 6x6. And when you're die cutting, these little 6x6 papers are perfect. Even though I use a lot of the big ones because I'm I'm making lots of things. So, but if you just need one little piece to do something, this is awesome. All right. So with this one, it's called Moonlight Rose. It is a mirror card collection. There is chrome silver, burnished rose, frosted silver, and rose platinum. So this is chrome silver. Look how beautiful that is. And you get 6 of each, and there's 4 colors. So you get 6 of each. That one is that's frosted silver. Because the next one, which is this one, is the chrome silver. I love that chrome silver. I ain't showing it so you won't see everything going on my desk. And then the next one is, let me see if I can tell it apart. I think this one is burnished rose. I absolutely love it. And then the last one is another mirror card. So I'm going to just show it a little bit. And this is rose platinum. Look at that shine. Gorgeous. Love, love, love when they give paper pads like that. So now let's get into this Nouveau box. They gave so much outside of the box. We only have these 2 inside. The pens, the tablet, the notepad, and the adhesives. So they gave a lot. All right, let me see. And this is expanding mousse. Color is natural cotton. That is beautiful. You see that pearl effect on that? Oh my gosh. And this is expanding mousse. When you heat it up, it expands, puffs up. This is beautiful. Absolutely love that pearl color. I might have to get another one of these. I might already have one. So that'd be good if I got 2. Then we got for our drop, this is Boulder Gray. I don't think I have this one. Boulder Gray. Look at that gray. I don't think I have this one. I don't open it in case I want to gift it. So, but I think I have that one. It's my trash right here. Look how pretty. That is a beautiful color. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the top. Y'all know I like to do that. so I can actually see what it looks like. And this is a stone drop, so it makes it look like a stone effect. It's got like gritty kind of beautiful. So I'm gonna put that over there so I don't touch it. All right, so let's get down to the die set, guys. So let's see. Sticker, boots and bouquets. I always stick it on the top so I know which one it is. Because I keep the binders and I use the binders. So, all right. So first, let's look at the stamp set. Look at that cute little old boot. Beautiful flowers in there. Happy birthday. I love when stamps and dies and all that come with sentiments, because you can use those anywhere. When you're making anything, any project, cards, whatever, you can use these sentiment stamps anywhere. So we got happy birthday. Your friendship is everything to me. Your kindness hasn't gone unnoticed. Ooh, I love that one. Thank you for being you. Enjoy your day and stay strong. You've got this. Oh, I love that. That is beautiful, beautiful sentiments. And then they got some of the extra little flowers here that you can put stamp out. That is so cute. Oh, I'm loving the sentiment. Oh, now that's nice. All right, and then here are the dies. Okay, so here, when you stamp it, of course, you can actually cut it out, guys. Look at that. I love when you get the coordinating die set with the stamp. So if you want to do a 3D, you got it. All right, so that is the die. These are for the individual flowers, and they gave us some more flowers here to add. And look at this beautiful plate. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to look at the pictures and show that. See what that plate is, what it looks like. And then these are to cut out the sentiments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, the sentiments that are labeled. Because a happy birthday fits right in there. Look like I got it upside down. Let's see. Yeah. Because it's got little edges here. That's going to be oh so sweet. I love having the coordinating die. And then there's another plate here. Look at that. It looks like flowers. Absolutely love it. Let's see what the picture looks like. Oh, look at that. That's what that is. Okay. So can these be put on top of each other? That's what it looks like. These look like they are, because this right here looks like this one. And then, of course, the flowers is there. Oh, I love it. That is nice. Let's see what the other one is. And then look at this picture. They made a tag. Look how they did the extra little flowers. And then these are the other little flowers that are on here. Here. So cute. I love it. So that is this month's kit. Boots and bouquets. Y'all let me know. Did y'all get this kit? Do you like it? Of course you do. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.